Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome to computer class. Today we are going to continue our second chapter, parts of computer. But before that, let's recall the things that we did learn in our previous video. In our previous video, we did learn about computer, hardware, and in hardware, we did learn about keyboard. Now today we are going to learn more about keyboard. Enter key. It used to type text from new line. The cursor will move till the end of the line as we go on typing. It then automatically moves to the next line. It means when we are typing on a computer, when we reach to the end of the line, the cursor moves automatically to the next line. We need not to give enter. We press enter key to move to the next line before reaching the end of the current line. Before the completing and before the reaching the end of the line, if we want to start from a new line, that time we use enter key. The enter key is also called return key. Now let's learn how enter key is working. So when we are typing and when we are reaching to the end of the line, the cursor moves automatically to the next line. But you can see here when we are reaching to the end of the line, cursor moves automatically. But when we want to move to the next line before ending the line, लाइन फिनिश होने से पहले अगर आपको नेक्स्ट लाइन में मूव करना है, then you have to press enter key. Press enter key to move to the next line. So that is enter key, and enter key is also called return key. Space bar key. It is used to move the cursor ahead by one space. Means when we are writing and we want to keep a space between words, letters or number, we use space bar key. This gives the space between two letters, numbers or words. It is the longest key on the keyboard. Here you can see the space bar key. It is the longest key on the keyboard. Now let's learn about shift key. It is used in the combination with other key to perform different functions. We are using this key with the combination of other key. For example, it is pressed with a letter key to type letter in uppercase. Suppose you press shift and A, then A will type in capital. It is also pressed with number key to type symbols made on numbers key. Here you can see on number key some symbols are there. For example, we having @ sign on 2. So when we are pressing shift plus 2 key, shift key and 2 key, the @ symbol will be printed on monitor. So here we having 2 shift key on keyboard. Next one is caps lock key. It is used to type capital letter. If on pressing the caps lock key once, a light glow on the top right corner of the keyboard. Here you can see on our keyboard we having caps lock. So when we press it, the caps lock light will be on. It shows that caps lock function is on. So when caps lock light is on, whatever the things you are typing, all the things will be typed in capital. pressing the caps lock one more time, it switched off. So when I press the caps lock key again, the light will be off. Now let's learn about control key. CTRL, control key. A keyboard has two control keys. Here you can see there are two control keys, one on left side and one on right side. They perform special operation on being pressed with other keys. They are used for special operations. Next one is symbol keys. We use symbol key to add punctuation marks and other symbol while typing. Here you can see we have brackets, parenthesis, colon, single inverted comma, double inverted comma, full stop, question marks. So they are symbol keys. You can see symbol keys. Next one is modifier keys. The function of other keys can be modified using modifier keys. They are used in combination with the other key to change their output, like shift key, control key and alter key. They are modifier key. Suppose if we want to write in capital, only one word, so we use shift and particular key to type in capital. So they are called modifier keys. For example, on pressing shift and number 1, we got exclamation marks as an output. Now let's learn about navigation keys. Navigation keys are used to move the cursor around in a document to see or edit text. Page up, page down, home and arrow. They are different navigation keys. There are 4 different directions on screen, like upside, downside, left side and right side. So arrows keys are also called cursor key. You can see here we having arrow keys and navigation keys like page up, page down, home and 4 arrow keys: up arrow key, down arrow key, left arrow key and right arrow key. Now let's learn about function keys. There are 12 function keys from F1 to F12. They are used for perform different special tasks. Each function key perform a special task. So that is about keyboard. In our next video, we will learn about more devices. Till that time, students, stay healthy, stay safe, keep learning.